What if I told you that one of tech's oldest running jokes is finally becoming reality? After years of speculation, Google is merging two of its most prominent operating systems. You heard that right. Android and ChromeOS are officially becoming one. For what feels like ages, we've watched Google juggle these two platforms, often wondering if they'd ever truly unite. Android, the undisputed king of mobile, powered our phones and eventually our tablets. ChromeOS, on the other hand, carved out its niche on Chromebooks, those lightweight, affordable laptops perfect for students and light computing. They always felt like siblings living in separate houses, barely speaking to each other. But now Sameer Samat, the Android Ecosystem President, has confirmed it. This isn't a rumor. It's happening. And honestly, it makes a lot of sense. Think about it. ChromeOS has always been a bit bare bones, essentially a stripped-down Linux system focused almost entirely on the web browser. It ran great on low-end hardware, offering a desktop experience, but its app ecosystem never quite stacked up against Windows or Mac OS. Sure, it could run web apps, Android apps, and even some Linux apps, but rarely the best-in-class versions. It was like owning a very efficient city car. Great for quick errands, but not built for long-haul journeys or heavy lifting. Meanwhile, Android, despite its mobile dominance, struggled to find its footing on larger screens. You've probably seen it. Android tablets, even with added keyboard and mouse support, just didn't feel quite desktop ready. The apps designed for phones often looked stretched or awkward on a larger display. It was a powerful engine, but without a properly designed chassis for anything beyond a phone. So here's the obvious question. Why now? Well, Google has been slowly building ChromeOS on the Android tech stack, even using the Android kernel. We've seen Android itself evolve, gaining more desktop-like multitasking features, essentially becoming more like ChromeOS. It was as if Google was already turning Android into the bigger, more capable sibling, making ChromeOS almost redundant. When Android can do everything ChromeOS does but better and ChromeOS does what Android does but worse, you start seeing the writing on the wall. ChromeOS, frankly, started feeling directionless, often forgotten at Google's own developer conferences. But there might be an even bigger, more dramatic reason behind this timing: Google's looming antitrust case. The U.S. Department of Justice is actually pushing for Google to divest its Chrome browser, accusing them of a search market monopoly. Losing Chrome would be a massive blow for Google, hitting its advertising revenue and user data collection. Imagine if Google lost control of the very browser that forms the foundation of ChromeOS. The future of that operating system would become incredibly uncertain. So merging ChromeOS into Android could actually be a strategic move to protect its ecosystem, ensuring a unified platform that maintains user engagement and mitigates some of that risk. It's a fascinating twist, isn't it? Like playing chess on multiple boards at once. A unified operating system could finally deliver true cross-functionality, allowing developers to focus on one robust platform and giving us, the users, seamless access to apps across our phones, tablets, and laptops. This could be Google's big push into serious personal computing, finally allowing them to compete head-to-head with Apple's iPad and Mac OS, and Microsoft's Windows. The path forward still holds questions. What about the longevity of Chromebooks, which currently enjoy years of software support? But one thing is clear: Google is not just updating an operating system. They are fundamentally reshaping their vision for the future of computing. It's a bold step, and we'll be watching to see if this unified powerhouse can truly rewrite the rules. What do you think this merger means for your next device? Let us know your thoughts and make sure you subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tech news.